Hey guys, Happy-Go-Lucky here, back for another maths question of the day. Yesterday we were looking at set notation and how to put that into Venn diagrams. So today, as promised, we're going to try and solve one of these Venn diagram problems. The question is taken from Cambridge iGCSE Specimen Paper 1 from 2020, and it goes as follows. Question 23, we've got children who go to the park. T is represented by children who play tennis, that's the left-hand circle. G is the children who play golf, that's the right-hand circle, and 120 children go to the park, 50 play tennis, 75 play golf, 25 do not play tennis or golf. Part A, complete the Venn diagram, and part B, find N, T intersection G, or in other words, find the number of people that play tennis and golf. Press pause, have a go at the question, and I'll be back with the work solutions in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right, back with the work solutions then. Hopefully from yesterday, we understand a little bit more about set notation and what these symbols represent, but we'll come to that later on. Let's just fill in the table first. We know that 120 children go to the park, so this whole grid represents 120 people. So if it helps, you can put 120 there to get prepared for that. 50 people play tennis. So if 50 people play tennis, 50 children play tennis, these two together have to make 50, not just tennis alone, because if you play tennis, you could have played tennis and golf, so you could be in the middle section too. 75 play golf, so these two need to add up to make 75. For the golfers, again, they could have played golf on their own, or they could have played golf and tennis. 25 do not play tennis or golf, so 25 are outside the circles. That's going to go in the box, but outside the circles. They're the people that didn't get involved. All right, next thing we know is if 120 went to the park, we've got to fill in the Venn diagram with the numbers. Well, if we've counted 50 and we've counted 75, that's 125 so far. But when we look at how many people were involved, 120 went to the park and 25 didn't play tennis or golf, that leaves us 95. So we're actually short 125 compared to 95. So the next thing we need to do is work out why that's happened. We've counted tennis players, golfers, and then tennis players and golfers together twice. Once when we were counting the tennis circle and once when we were counting the golfers circle. So actually we've got a bit of a kind of an overflow of people. Let's take those 30 overflow away from the 125, and that gets us back to a 95. So that means the 30 we've counted twice, that needs to go in the middle. So tennis players and golfers together was 30. If that's the case, if there was 30 playing tennis and golf, and there were 75 golfers in total, then 45 just played golf on their own. Looking at the tennis side, if there was 50 tennis players, 30 played both, 20 would have played tennis just on their own to make the 50. Part B then, if we look at the number of people that played tennis and golf together, now that we've filled in that section, the middle section there, combined tennis and golfers together, we worked out that was 30. That's our answer. The number of people who played tennis and golf was 30. Okay, I've had to do a voiceover of that because my microphone cut out, so hopefully that comes across okay. I've been Happy-Go-Lucky, and you've been doing some Venn diagrams and set notation mathematics. Good for you guys. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.